Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Pathfinder stainless steel 64-ounce Bushpot from, well, David Canterbury, the man. So I'll give you a little look here at the box before we get started. And the UPC on the bottom. Let's get it out of the box here, and then I'll read you some specs on it. Yeah, all wrapped up in plastic. Oh, I like that, how that lid goes on there. That lid goes on like nice and tight. Alright. With a bail and generous bat wing type handles. Pour spout. Heck yeah. Pathfinder. No graduations or anything like that inside. Alright. Let's look at some specs. This is made of 304 grade stainless steel, has a locking bail handle, locks in upright or down, heavy gauge bat wing handles, pour spout, stainless steel lid with D-ring. Height of the pot is 5.5 inches, width is 5 3/8 of an inch, or it's 13.97 centimeters tall or 13.65 centimeters wide. So this pot is almost as wide as it is tall. Okay? The capacity of the pot is 8 cups or 64 ounces. There's no measurements or graduations on the pot, inside or out. In metric, that's about 1.818 liters, so almost 2 liters. This is pretty big pot. Weight, they say less than 1 pound, 14 ounces. We are going to check that out. So let's get into that. Let's get our scale in here. Okay, we're in kilograms first. 443 grams. 15.58 ounces. They list it at 14 ounces, so it's a little bit over the listed weight. But not bad for a pot this size. Okay. Let me see if the construction... Alright, that's not easily deformable. It's pretty thick stuff. They don't list what gauge of metal or how thick it is, but that is pretty heavy stuff. And the main reason I got this is I wanted to add it to my car kit. I have the Bulin energy saving pot with the stove, and I just wanted a second pot. Probably going to use one pot for cooking, the other pot to boil water, that type of thing. So this is for my car kit. I think it's well worth the price. And let's talk about the price. On Dave Canterbury's website, this right now is listed at $33.99. Not a bad price at all for such a large pot. Because I've been looking at getting another pot for a while, and it was either this or a billy pot. And I ended up choosing this. Just because I think it's got a little bit more functionality right out the gate. Now, I'm going to have people, I know I'm going to have at least a few of my British subscribers tell me I should have got the billy pot. Go ahead, hit me up in the comments. But Here's my reasoning why I think this is a little bit better than a billy pot. Most billy pots I've seen, you have to do some modifications or such, which I'm not against that. If you follow my channel at all, I'm into that. But it's kind of nice to buy something where you don't have to change anything about it. It's just all right the way it is. You can use this for baking. If you have one of the smaller grills that you can set in here, and then you set this on your heat source this way, and put this, the lid fits in there nice and tight. That lid is not coming out unless you pull it out. So you could use this for baking something small. I mean, look at that. I'm lifting. Oh, there it finally came out. But that fits in there pretty tight. So, yeah, it's going in my car kit. I really don't think we need to do a boil test on this. It's stainless steel. I mean, how many times can you boil water in, you know, on camera for people? It's rugged, it's strong, and it's inexpensive. So, if you're in the market for a larger pot like this, you might want to take a look at his Self-Reliance Outfitter store. Link in the description for this. Dave's got a lot of stuff on his website for outdoor cooking. And I think this will fit the bill for me. And that's pretty much all I got to say about the Pathfinder stainless steel 64-oz Bushpot. I think it's a good product. It's very well constructed. I mean, look at all those weld points. That's all spot welds. So it's just not like 4 spot welds and they're done. There's 3 there, 3 there, 3 there, and 3 there. They do not want that handle to come off. See? Boom, 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 and then it repeats. I mean, same thing here for the bail. It's not 1 spot weld, you got 3. That kind of attention to detail I like. I mean, granted, all of this stuff is made in China, but I think it's really great that this just seems to have more attention to detail, you know, and I like that little pour spout, you know. But that's all I got to say about this Bushpot. I got it for my own reasons. I just thought I'd do a quick review on it, let everybody get a good look at it. You know, if you're in the market for one, go take a look. And that's all I got to say. Everybody have a great night, and I'll see you out in the woods, maybe doing a little cooking. Thank you for watching.